all I need is to talk to the crocodile.
How did you do that?
Because we believe that if you talk to animal can understand people. Like dog, like cat. If you talk to them, they understand. So all I need is to talk to crocodile. I said. In Korean, it's hard to say in English. In Korea, I said that in town like.
What is that in Korea? We don't understand.
I translated it later.
Sabi niya kanina mahirap kasi.
I said to the crocodile.